As always with anything that has an adhesive, you'll need to start first by thoroughly cleaning the whole surface. In this case, washing the top of the trunk was in order, but since it was another beautiful Saturday, I decided to wash the whole car. Perform a thorough rinse. Then dry with a microfiber cloth. In order to get the spoiler perfectly mounted to the natural curvature of the trunk, I needed to draw some lines 1 inch in length extending from the edge of the trunk. They are 1 inch in length because that is the width of the bottom of the spoiler and the double-sided sticky tape used for mounting. To do this, I used a steel rule and a pilot gel pen. The process is similar to that of the front lip spoiler. Once all the lines are drawn, simply draw one line across the top of them, like connecting the dots. Never mind if the line is a bit messy, it's made with a gel pen. Sometimes gel pens don't like to mark on solid surfaces, so making a few repeat lines might be necessary. Next, take some masking tape and apply it along the top edge of the line that is drawn. This is going to be used as a guide in mounting the spoiler. One last application of alcohol-based cleaner is going to be used to ensure the surface is absolutely clean. This will ensure that the tape on the bottom of the spoiler will stick to the trunk. Here I'm removing the spoiler from the plastic sheeting it was taped to. You can see me peeling the double-sided tape away from the other side of the double-sided tape strip. This is how I was able to mount it to a movable surface for painting. Compressed air is used to blow away paint chips that resulted from peeling away the plastic. Now mount the spoiler. This is the simple part. Simply follow the guideline the blue tape makes and position the front of the spoiler to the edge of the tape for a perfect fit. Press down to ensure maximum adhesion occurs. Then remove the masking tape. Give one last wipe and admire the handiwork. I think this spoiler makes a perfect fit for the Protege. The profile of the spoiler complements the rear body lines of the car very well, especially near the tail lamps. Here are some still shots that give you a better look of how well this fits, with the last photo being my favorite. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. If you like what you see, click the like button and consider subscribing. There's more great content on the way right here on Retrocar Style. Stay tuned.